What is crypto? Is a digital asset. Nobody control your money. You can send in one day 1 million, and it depends how you upgrade your apps. Maybe me, I'm not yet upgrade because they're asking me a lot of requirements. I can withdraw 10,000 a day. That's the crap too. And nobody control your money, your asset. That's why one day all the news talking of this. Not only in the Philippines, all over the world, even in the Israel, they are so high tech. They talking like the problem in the future, that no bills for the future, only the cryptocurrency. And some of the companies in the Israel and the bank, they keep also cryptocurrency. They are advanced. I don't know here because I never heard in the news. All the radio there, they are talking in Israel. That's why I know of that. And then one day in the future, they have a problem coming. Entire all the world, that your money in the bank you cannot use, you cannot withdraw. Bakit? Maraming problema. Kaya ako nagka-crypto. The cryptocurrency, you can do your own. Only you and the apps. Nobody government can control. No approval for 5 days. You can withdraw in the bank. Darating ang araw na hindi mo na magamit yung pera mo. Dahil darating ang crisis. The big crisis. Yan ang hamon na darating. Baka next year or I don't know. Kaya ang iba nagpapanik na sila. Inano na nila kasi safe ang cryptocurrency. Imagine, yung ginagamit kong yung app sa Pinas, humihingi siya ng mukha mo. Pag hindi ma-detect yung mukha mo blurred, hindi dinecline niya. Ako pa mismo ang nag-selfie. Hindi masyado daw malabo daw. Dineclined yung winidraw ko. Kaya ganon, so high-tech si crypto. Kaya darating ang araw, yung mga bangko, bigla na lang maaano yung pera niyo. Minsan may mga nag-hack, di ba? Nababalitaan na niya sa Pinas. Ang crypto hindi mahahack. Kung mahack yung mukha mo, ayan pa, mahahack siya. Bago siya mag-hack sa apps mo, i-hack mo na yung mukha mo. Dahil pag na-transact na yan, every transaction, hihingi siya ng selfie sa mukha mo. Pag hindi yung mukha mo doon, hindi siya magbibigay ng number na para ma-okay na yung transaction mo na withdraw. Ganun ang crypto na ka-high-tech. Ang mukha mo, ipapaselfie. Yan. Yung isang apps ko naman, naghihingi ng key. Hindi ko pa inano. Madali lang yan kung gusto ko dahil hindi pa ako mag-withdraw. Yun lang ginagamit ko sa Pinas dahil AC lang yun. Basta mukha mo, isa-selfie mo. Pag hindi siya ma-read yung mukha mo na hindi niya mabasa, decline! Paano pa kayo ma-hack? Yan ang crypto. So high-tech. Kung high-tech ang atak mo, ano ka na sa crypto.